Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the 1 mark questions of chapter 1 on equality, civics, class 7th. So from class 7th, the chapter 1 of the civics book, that is on equality, we will discuss all type of 1 mark questions like multiple choice, like true false, like fill in the blank and match the following. Before starting the video, I would like to request all of you subscribe our channel, that is 1 mark solution. On this channel you are going to get videos of 1 mark questions from class 6 to 12th for all subjects. इस चैनल पर आपको क्लास 6 से क्लास 12 तक सभी सब्जेक्ट्स के 1 मार्क्स के जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस, उनकी वीडियोस मिलेंगी। इसलिए आप हमारा चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद अब हम आगे बात करते हैं। सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दैट इज़ व्हाट डज डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स। So democracy means equal right to vote, unequal right to vote, discrimination, all of these. So the correct answer is A, equal right to vote. The next question is, according to universal adult franchise, every adult has no vote, one vote, multiple vote, all of these. So the correct answer is one vote. The next question is, what is not the element of equality? Justice, religion, wealth, health. So the correct answer is religion. Next question is, whose autobiography is Juthan? So as we know that Juthan is the biography of Om Prakash Valmiki, and the other options are Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is, what did the headmaster ask Om Prakash Valmiki to do? When you have read chapter, you know that to bring a glass of water, to sweep the school playground, to teach the students, none of these. So the correct answer is B, to sweep the school playground. Next question is, when persons are treated unequally, what is violated? Dignity, religion, caste or practice? So the correct answer is dignity is violated when the persons are equally treated unequally. The next question is, Indian Constitution. The next question is, Indian Constitution recognize all people are equal, all people are not equal, all people are economically sound, none of this. So the correct answer is A, that is all people are equal. Next question is, who drafted the Indian Constitution? The options are Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri and B.R. Ambedkar. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the correct answer. Who present our problems in the Parliament House? Ourselves, MLAs, SHO or MPs. So MLAs are the correct answer. Who represent our problems in the Parliament House? MLAs are presenting our problems in the Legislative Assembly. Next question is, civil right movement of USA, what about? Afro-Americans, Indo-Americans, both of these, none of these. So that civil right movement of USA was about the Afro-Americans. It is for the Afro-Americans. Next question is, what is the central features of democracy? Inequality, discrimination, equality and restrictions. So the correct answer is equality. Next question is, match the contents of column A with that of column B. So Disability Act was made in 1995. So Disability Act was made in 1995. We will put here 1995. Then civil right movement started in 1964, and the midday meal scheme started in 2001, and prohibition of discrimination is in Article 15. So these are the correct answer you can write here. So Disability Act is in 1995, Civil Right 1964, midday meal started in 2001, and prohibition of discrimination is in Article 15. So likewise you can check. Then the next questions are true false. The Ansaris easily got a flat in the desired area. This is a false statement because they have they struggled a lot to get a flat. The next question is Juthan is an autobiography of Om Prakash Valmiki. That is a true statement. Already हम लोगों ने ऊपर भी इसके बारे में देखा हुआ है. Kanta borrowed money to pay her electricity bill. That is a false statement because Kanta borrowed money for Kanta borrowed money to get her child to hospital. So this is a false statement. Next, Rosa Parks was an African American. This is a true statement. Rosa Parks was the African American, Afro American. So as you know, this was the Afro American. So this is a correct answer. So next question is, what was the first was the first state to introduce midday meal scheme? So the correct answer is Tamil Nadu was the first state who introduces the midday meal scheme. The next question, we are represented in the parliament through our elected representative is the correct answer, which you will fill here. So they are called MPs. ये MPs कहते हैं, और जिनको कि हम लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के लिए चूज करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड MLAs. So our constitutions recognize everyone as equal before law. When people are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Their डिग्निटी इज़ वायलेटेड. आपने वो एक वो देखा था जिसमें वो बच्चा दीवार मूवी का जो सीन उसमें दिया हुआ है. सो दिस इज डिग्निटी. So these are some questions which 20 questions which we have discussed for chapter 1. Hope you will revise it and you will get a good marks. Thank you.